Have you ever wondered if a city could float on air? A paradise where homes are suspended like bubbles in the sky, catching the sun's rays and shimmering in a dazzling array of colors? Welcome to the intriguing world of flying bottle houses. Picture a city where gravity takes a back seat. Houses not rooted to the ground but soaring freely, carried aloft by the power of air and light. This is no fantasy but a growing trend in architectural innovation: flying bottle houses. These unique structures are made predominantly from recycled bottles, each one filled with a mixture of air and light. The composition of this mixture is meticulously calculated to provide the buoyancy needed to lift these houses off the ground. Not only do these homes float, but they also harness solar energy, making them a beacon of sustainable living. The bottles collected from various sources are cleaned and sterilized. The air inside is replaced with a lighter-than-air gas, and the light is trapped using advanced photovoltaic cells. The result? A floating, light-emitting bottle that forms the building block for these gravity-defying homes. Each house is a testament to the power of recycling and renewable energy. The bottles are arranged in a honeycomb pattern, providing structural integrity while maximizing space. The walls of these homes are not only beautiful, reflecting the sun's rays in a kaleidoscope of colors, but they also provide insulation, keeping the inside temperate and comfortable. But the magic of flying bottle houses doesn't stop there. The trapped light within each bottle can be harnessed for electricity, providing a self-sustaining power source for each home. This makes these houses not only eco-friendly, but also self-reliant, a true symbol of sustainable living. So, to summarize, the concept of flying bottle houses is not just a flight of fancy. It's an innovative approach to architecture, utilizing recycled materials and renewable energy to create homes that are not only visually stunning, but also sustainable and self-sufficient. These houses float on air, powered by a meticulously calculated mixture of air and light trapped within each recycled bottle. The result is a city that appears to float in the sky, a paradise where homes are not bound by the earth but free to soar, a city where the walls shimmer in a kaleidoscope of colors, where the power of recycling and renewable energy are on full display. This is the future of architecture, a future where homes not only shelter us but also contribute to a cleaner, greener world. So, next time you gaze up at the sky, imagine a city of floating bottle houses shimmering in the sun, a testament to the power of innovation and sustainability. This is not just a dream, it's a reality that is within our grasp, a reality that could redefine the way we think about architecture and sustainable living.